Syllables. A syllable is a unit of organization for a sequence of speech sounds. For example, the word water is composed of two syllables, wa and t. If a word has two similar consonants, it can be divided into syllables between the two similar consonants. Example, summer is sum-mer. Open syllables. When a syllable ends in a vowel, the syllable is open and the vowel has a long sound. Example, go. Closed syllables. When a syllable ends in a consonant, the syllable is closed and the vowel has a short sound. Example, got. Gamer, gamer. Toggle, toggle. Bummer, bummer. Bidden, bidden. Bullet, bullet. Pillow, pillow. Cotton, cotton. Bigger, bigger. Banner, banner. Arrest, arrest. Rabbit, rabbit. Rubber, rubber. Riddle, riddle. Logger, logger. Cotton, cotton. Tennis, tennis. Suffer, suffer. Battle, battle. Letter, letter. Hollow, hollow. Suffix, suffix. Lesson, lesson. It's wrong. Apples, apples. Dollar, dollar. Manner, manner. Arrest, arrest. Cotton, ballet. Toggle, toggle. Affair, affair. Apples, apples. Puzzle, puzzle. Winner, winner. Bidder, bidder. Cattle, cattle. Cutter, cutter. Floppy, floppy. Vessel, vessel. Topper, topper. Pillet, pillet. Commit, commit. Rubber, rubber. Fellow, fellow. Carrot, carrot. Gamer, gamer. Bottle, bottle. Rabbit, rabbit. Commas, commas. Jobber, jobber. Arrest, arrest. Vessel, vessel. Bidden, bidden. Suffix, suffix. Floppy, floppy. Mirror, mirror. Affirm, affirm. Mutton, mutton. Terror, terror. Annual, annual. Nibble, nibble.